Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 打扫. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读打扫. To third tone together, we need to change the first one to which tone? Yes, second tone. So when you read, you need to read 打扫. 对啊，打扫. Cannot say 打扫. Oh, no, we say 打扫. Okay? Okay, now let's write it. 我们一起写. First, we write 打横竖钩提横竖钩打 and 扫横竖钩提横折横横打扫 means clean my room 打扫我的房间 Okay, let's say all about 打扫 If you liked this video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.